Hello everyone, today we're going to create our own version of Castle and Sun by Paul Klee. All we're going to need is a ruler, paper, and some crayons. You can also use color pencils or markers, whichever one you prefer, but I like to use crayons. I'm going to put the horizontal line more towards the top of the paper. Now I'm going to draw a circle off the side of the paper. Now we're going to start drawing some vertical lines. The lines can be as wide or as thin as you like. You could also draw some horizontal lines as well. You can add some triangles on top of your squares or rectangles to make them look like roofs on your building. Now it's time to color. This is the fun part. I want you to be creative. Use as many color combinations as you like. Have fun with color. Mix some colors together. Thanks for watching.